Alright guys, so we're at the bay, Morant Bay, picking up a few things and some lunch now. I'm getting some fried chicken with some rice and peas, you already know. So I'm gonna show y'all the food as soon as we get it. Here's a little waiting area. I think we're gonna stay and eat a little bit, but I may try got some to-go boxes because I can never finish my food. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the menu and everything today. Say hi to the camera.
Alright guys, I'm gonna get cold and I'll take this arcade and try to get into the stuff.
You know who telling this? This is my fried chicken, guys, with rice and peas and sweet sauce. Sweet drinks, them here. Tropics. Bro is eating his. So update, guys, the food is actually mad good. Mad freaking good. Mad good. Roast though, piece of my chicken.
You want beef sandwich? Okay.
He offering some of his cow head. He eating cow head, y'all. Did he say that? Did he say that? Did he say that? He eating cow head?
Oh, and
Yeah. So nothing fancy, but the food is popping. It's so good. How much do we spend? 1,500.
1500.
Including drinks. So that's like maybe like $13, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna put the conversion on the price is not bad at all. So I'm gonna finish the rest of my food. Look, I got a little cow head piece now. So let me try a piece. Like mostly fat. It's spicy. Let me try the meat part. Not bad. Not bad at all. It just tastes like, I don't know what to say. Very interesting, to say the least. There we go. See you when we get to the supermarket. So we are in the supermarket, we're checking out a new supermarket, but it's a little pricey in here. So we may or may not end up shopping here. But at least we're taking a look at the new supermarket. Alright guys, so we off to supermarket number 2. But it was nice doing some eye shopping in here though, it was nice.
When them see the lyrics constructor, coffee come in at a rupture, and everybody get dumped on. Place it up like a doctor. When them see the lyrical doctor.
So today we will do guacamole and fry plantain. So it's like guac and chips and guac. But we have use fry plantain, tostones to be the chips. Yeah, so I get some chips and now I'm gonna do some ripe plantain on the side too. Yeah. Put one, yeah. We are going to one more.
Yeah, so they're not good for now.
Alright.
Guys, this guy wants to cook everything under the sun today. So I didn't hear him. Did you guys hear him just now? He said he was gonna do
The right plant
ripe.
on the side. But he said you can go back to the video and see. So he said the truth.
He said it. Comment below if he said it before I watch this video myself. Comment below and let me know if you just heard him in the room say that he was gonna cook ripe and green plantain. We fine already?
Yeah, I think I drew up things.
Let's see.
I think I drew up things. The next one I will put this.
So guys, we in the pot now. Well, I'm not in the pot. Plain's in the pot. No. Maybe that one go in there. Cleo. 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 I can't overthrow me. I'm the queen. Jesus Christ. Guys, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, plan to eat them.
Yeah, right. Snow, you trying to run up? Why Snowy just ran up on me? Snowy? Snowy ready for the video? Like, Snowy, no? I always like the camera, guys. Yes, I know you're probably wondering, didn't you guys just build them a coop the other day? We did, but it's very important for them to get out and forage too, because they start having all types of anxiety being...
They'll stress out if they stay inside.
Yes, and then they start pickle. This is Rose dropping them plantain and now they're all fighting. Snowy, nobody sees you yet. She's late to the party, clearly. Oh, she's about to go do. Alright guys, so we're getting nice and golden brown now. We even added 2 pieces of sweet plantain, and the bigger ones are the green plantain that we're gonna crush out, and like we said, we eat like chips with the guac. So you'll soon see all of that come together. Alright guys, so this is the guac. This is the final product.
Yes.
And these are the chips.
This is the guac and chips.
Somebody couldn't wait. So I'm eating mine now.
I've been guac and chips.
Tostones. In Mexico, we say tostones. Arepa. Guys,
And the food in a fair fight.
literally. This man drink his guac. There's a guac head right here.
Yeah, guac. How long may I make this?
Just finally got around to it, guys. Finally. And in Jamaica, since the pears are organic, they have a certain season when they come in. You can't get avocados all year round. You gotta wait from like August to like December-ish. That time frame. I looked it up so I know exactly when to expect them next year. I knew September for sure, but I didn't know they started as of August. And I didn't know that we in business all the way until December. So that's phenomenal news. If you're wondering what Ro's doing, he's frying us some sweet plantain. Cause we're doing kind of like a vegan style today, you know? Some days we're like that. We don't really feel the need. We don't have to eat meat every day. Sometimes we just eat whatever produce is here most of the time. Or sometimes we eat that in conjunction with meat. But today...
I'm a beard of avocado.
That's what I'm bearding with avocado. Okay. This guac is so bomb. Comment below.
What is thing?
Comment below if you guys want to get the full recipe. Cause I forgot to record the rest of the stuff for you guys.
It's guac.
Comment below if you're a Jamaican that has tried guacamole before. My challenge to you, if you haven't, is to expand your taste palette. Definitely give this a try. So good.
Plantain chips. That's what I'm talking about.
Official. So, we're about to finish frying up the plantain, right? I think I might come back to you guys after. Show you what's going on. But today's dinner, simple. Guac, plantain chips, and sweet rice plantain with some limeade. Real nice. I said, I don't want chicken now. I should have said nice, I don't need chicken right now. Oh, hey guys, see you guys in a bit.